बिटर मीन्स सारू न कहवाय। बिटर मीन्स कड़वू। ओके ना तो बोला बेटा, कितनी बार बोलोगे? जाओ। वेरी गुड। नीचे से, नीचे से। सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड करें। मोड़ू बंद राखવાનું છે, બહાર મોકલ્યું। ઊભો ન થતો, હવે નીચે બેસી જા। નહીં निकलो बाहर। खड़े हो जाओ, खड़े हो जाओ। तुम भी खड़े हो जाओ, खड़े हो जाओ। अब आवाज नहीं आनी चाहिए। हाँ प्लीज। बीच में बैठो, यहाँ पे। आजा आजा, एक मिनट एक मिनट एक मिनट, आजा बाहर, आजा बाहर, आजा। Chapter 3. So acids are sour in bus. Acids are sour in taste and bases are bitter in taste. Okay. Sour means khatta and base, bitter means kadwa. Alright. Acids turn blue litmus paper red and bases turn red litmus paper blue. What are litmus paper? Very good. Litmus paper is an indicator to what are acids and bases. Litmus paper का actual color क्या है? Purple. The actual color of litmus paper is purple. Okay. Understood? What are indicators and how many types of indicators are there? बोलो. And the other type? Can you tell me the definition of indicator? Very good. Name of two natural indicators. Other than that, दूसरे कोई आता है? Very good. Other than that, do you know what are olfactory indicators? Sit down. Sit. Do you know what are olfactory indicators? What are olfactory indicators? Olfactory indicators are indicators which gives a specific smell when they react with an acid or a base. समझ आ रहा है? जब acid और base के साथ वो react करता है तो they give a specific smell और smell is connected with olfactory nerves. That's why they are called olfactory indicators. Understood or not? So can you tell me one example of olfactory indicator? Clove of garlic can be considered as olfactory indicator. Garlic yani? Yes, that can be considered. हाँ? Olive oil कहाँ लिखा है? Olfactory indicator है. Clove. गार्लिक की कली जो होती है ना उसको क्लोव बोलते हैं. ओके. So indicators are of two types. But indicators are of two types: natural indicators and synthetic indicators. Natural indicators are litmus and turmeric, and synthetic indicators are. Can you tell me two examples of synthetic indicators? Yes, China rose is also a natural indicator. Can you tell me one example of synthetic or man-made indicator? Two examples of synthetic indicators are phenolphthalein and methyl orange. कहाँ बैठने के लिए बोला था आपको? यहाँ पे आ जाओ. Two examples of synthetic indicator are methyl orange and phenolphthalein. Understood? दिख रहा है? What is neutralization reaction? Not you. What is neutralization reaction? नहीं ना, बोला ना आपको. कौन बोल रहा है? द रिएक्शन, आपको बोला बैठने के लिए, खड़े हो जाओ, एक ही बार में खड़े हो जाओ आप। हाँ, the reaction between acid and base is called neutralization reaction. When acid reacts with base, it forms salt and water. Do you know one example of neutralization reaction? Hydroxide. HCl plus NaOH, that is hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide, is forming NaCl plus water. खड़े हो जाओ, खड़े हो जाओ, खड़े हो जाओ। Sodium hydroxide, okay. NaCl is known as common salt which we use at our homes. That is called neutralization reaction. Understood? HCl is hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide is NaOH. All right? Can you tell me what are antacids? खड़े हो जाओ. Can you tell me what are antacids? बस एक. बाहर आओ, बाहर आ जाओ, बाहर आ जाओ, आ जाओ, बाहर आओ, बाहर आ जाओ. आपकी आवाज आ रही है यहाँ पे, मैं रिकॉर्डिंग दिखा दूंगी. आप बाहर आ जाओ चुपचाप, अब भी इसी वक्त आ जाओ, बाहर आ जाओ. मैं आऊँ वहाँ पे कि आप यहाँ आ रहे हो? मैं वहाँ पे आ जाऊँ कि आप यहाँ पे आ रहे हो? आ जाओ बाहर. चलो 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 चलो. तो यहाँ पे खड़े रहो, यहाँ पे. हाँ जी, वहाँ पे खड़े रहो. That is not an antacid. एंट का एसिड नहीं है, एंटासिड है. व्हाट इज एंटासिड? सिट डाउन. Antacids are substances which neutralizes excess acid in our stomach. I'm teaching you from my digest, but if you want in your so when you have acidity in your stomach and you drink antacid, which is milk of magnesia, that is usually a base which neutralizes the acid in our stomach. दे दो पेन, पेन दो, दे दो. हाँ, पेन दो. So that substance is called antacid, which neutralizes the excess acid in our stomach. Excess means ज़्यादा acidity हो जाती है हमारे stomach में, तो इनो लेते हैं, सोडा लेते हैं, and there is also milk of magnesia, that is MgOH twice. Those are bases which neutralizes the acids in our stomach. जो एसिड हमारे स्टमक में है, क्योंकि बेस अंदर जाएगा तो एसिड को न्यूट्रलाइज कर देगा. So that's why they are called antacid. एंटी एसिड, एसिड के ऑपोजिट, एंटी एसिड, एंटासिड. अंडरस्टूड? ओके. एक्सक्यूज मी. थर्ड चैप्टर कौन सा है आपका? थर्ड चैप्टर कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज सेरिकल्चर? बोलो, उठ के जवाब दो। ऐसा कौन करता है पता है? लड़कियां करती है। What is सेरिकल्चर? वापस बोलो। The rearing of silkworm. पूरी बेल હવે દરવાજાની બહાર જઈશ. There are four. We are learning the life cycle of silk moth. There are four stages in the life cycle of silk moth. પહેલે નથી તમને બતાવું છું. Egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Okay. There are four stages in the life cycle of a silk moth. नहीं. So silk moth lays eggs on the leaves of the mulberry leaves. Mulberry nahi, it's mulberry. And the eggs are hatched into very small larvae in a week. एक वीक के अंदर एग्स हैच हो जाएंगे. Within 1 week, the eggs will hatch, and the larvae will keep on eating leaves of mulberry vigorously. Eating करेगा. Larvae will be eating the eggs. Larvae will be eating the leaves of mulberry excessively and vigorously, and then the larvae will start looking like a worm. Yes or no? Larvae will eat the leaves of mulberry and then it will start looking like a worm. Okay? Worm. It starts looking like a worm. That is why it is called silkworm or caterpillar. Okay? Then it will be called a silkworm or हाँ बस બહાર જ રહેજે પછી અંદર ન આવતો જા અહીંયા સાઈડ લેક્ચરમાં આ લોકો ફર્સ્ટ 3 જણા जरूरत नहीं है खड़े रहो Okay, so first of all, in the life cycle of silk moth, the silk moth is going to lay eggs on the leaves of mulberry. Okay, then the eggs will hatch within a week. The eggs will hatch within a week, and they will start eating the leaves of mulberry vigorously. Continuously eating करेंगे, and they will rest only 1 day in 6 days. Other 5 days they are eating the leaves of. Continuously they will eat. I think so. Then only 1 day they will rest. Other 5 days they will. वो खाता है इतना सारा खाता है वो हाँ